Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Roborock Qrevo Edge. If you're interested in the Edge or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on our iOS or Android device, search the App Store for the Roborock app, get that downloaded, sign in or create your account. Then you'll be at this main screen within the Roborock app where you can view all of your devices. You might not have any, that's fine. You might have a little add device at the center of the screen. For us, it's the top right-hand corner. There's a plus icon. We're going to select that to add our new Roborock device. And we're prompted to scan a QR code, or if you don't want to, or you can't find the code, you can add it manually just searching from a list of devices. But for us, our QR code's right here. We can line it up. Boom. There we go. Now we're at the network setup screen where we can press and hold the power and dock buttons for 3 seconds.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Got the prompt, we're going to let go. Check the box, select next. Now we need to connect to our home Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Enter your information, then select next. Now it'll want to connect to the device, so we're going to connect to the device's Wi-Fi. We got the prompt there, select join. Now we wait while it connects.
Wi-Fi connected.
Everything's connected. Now we can enter the device right here. It's loading, accept. A little quick start here. Showing you how to get familiar with everything, what you can enable or disable, and you can change these at another time too. There we go, guys. We're taken into our device right here. Everything was all set up and ready to go. That took not even 2 minutes. I can go back out. Here's our device again. We can enter back in. It's ready now for us to create our first map. Then we can customize our clean in each room and all that good stuff. And you can really nerd out in the app. But that's it. Simple and straightforward setup. Then once you have everything set up, then you can start creating your map and enjoying a nice clean home. All thanks to your Roborock robot.